Welcome. You like it?
Chief estate. I should test because I'm the chief
Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another beautiful vlog. How you guys are doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So guys, I just finished making my nails, as you guys can see from the beginning of this video, and I also finished with my hair. You guys know that initially it was packed up. Right now I repacked it, like I restyled it. This is it. I don't know if you guys can see the back very well. I don't know, but yeah, this is it. This is my new look right now. I don't know what's wrong with me now. To go and sit down and start making hair is like a whole lot. I don't know why. Probably because I can style my hair anyhow. I don't know. Just let me know in the comment section if you're having such difficulties. If I see like people carrying braids now, I want to carry braid, but I'm always thinking of going to sit there. And I feel like my hairstyles are very, very easy and it fits me, like it fits my face. So if I don't have strength to go and sit, I'll just continue this. Yes, if I'm done with this particular style, I change to another style, okay? And I have plenty, when I mean plenty ponytails that I can use. I can even make them myself. So probably salon people will not be eating my money again, since you guys are not already eating my money in nails, okay? So anyways, let me know what the nails is giving in the comment section. It's not properly dry yet, so I just have to wait for it to properly dry. I did my 10 toes, you guys. And then let me know what the hair is giving. It's not too much. I didn't do too much. I just pat it, and I use my black petals gel instead of my eco jester. Maybe next time I'll be using eco jester, stuff like that. And yeah, I didn't do a video when I was doing this hair. I didn't do a video. I'm sorry about that. I was supposed to do a video, but I just stood on my mirror and I was thinking, how do I start setting the camera, blah blah. Let me just cut this hair and do it once and for all. This hair didn't even take me up to 5 minutes. Done and dusted. Can go to anywhere with it, anywhere at all, okay? You can even see that I was in a hurry to lay this thing. So stay hooked in this vlog and enjoy the rest of this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next slide, okay? Guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is the next day, and see, I'm on TikTok live stream, and at the same time I'll be doing my plate washing. I have to bring out all my plate from the plate rack because I need to wash the plate rack, and at the same time wash all of these plates because dust everywhere. And even if you're washing, they look like, I don't even know how to explain, there's those dust. So I'm just getting to start doing all of that, and then I'll continue my. Thank you so much, Buchi of them. Oh! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I have to end the other video because someone came and gifted us. And I have to scream, you know that joy when you have, even if it's something coming in, okay? Anyways, let me just get into doing all of that and let me enjoy my live stream. So I don't know how this vlog will be going because you guys already see that I'm doing this. Anyways, catch ya. to the channel. I'm out this morning. See as this place is making my face white. So I'm out this morning and I'm at the POS side. I want to do some transaction, and then I want to go and get one stuff like that from one lady. So we have an agreement. So I'm also going to that place. I've called her, and yeah, this is the next day, obviously. So you guys should know that when I say I'm out this morning is the next day. So we'll talk later, okay? They will see your chest. Isn't it the chest? Dry chest. Say hi now.
No.
Eh?
No hi. It's hello. Hello guys. What is this? You don't want to see if
I didn't like it.
Eh?
Come on, cover your mouth.
Only 3 months.
Good morning. Nah, go there.
What if you reach
Nah,
your
good. Nah, go there. Say hi.
Now go the high. Now go the high.
Guys, nah, good. Guys, we are stepping out to the place I went yesterday. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we come back.
What do you want me to say now? I have no words.
Say love you, baby.
I love you, baby.
It's me you're supposed to tell. Are you supposed to tell anybody before? Say, baby, I love you.
I love them parents and I love my baby more.
I hate you.
Thank you.
Hi guys. See you. My eyes is all swollen up. I'm just waking up from sleep. Yeah. I've been sleeping. We came back since, but I've been sleeping. So this is me just coming here to like round up this vlog. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Let me in the comment section if you enjoyed this vlog. And don't forget to like this video. Don't also forget to drop me your comments. See, the kind of current NEPA brought today, me, I'm even scared. The thing well. You can see my face shining without adding any ring lights. So anyways, guys, with no further ado, I do like always in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So subscribe, comment, like, and share. I love you guys. Mwah. It's my soul.